In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block unwanted junk emails in Outlook. Whether you are using the Outlook desktop app or the newer Outlook experience on the web, I'll walk you through simple ways to keep unwanted messages out of your inbox while making sure important emails still get through. Let's start in the Outlook desktop app. The quickest way to deal with a spammy message is right from your inbox. When you see an unwanted email, click it, choose Junk, and then select Block Sender. This immediately moves that message to your junk email folder and tells Outlook to block future emails from that sender. It's fast. And it's perfect for obvious spam. If you want more control, you can manage your lists directly. Go to the Home tab, click Junk in the Delete group and choose Junk Email Options. In that window, open the Blocked Senders tab. Here, you can add specific email addresses or even entire domains. For example, entering example. Com blocks all senders from that domain. This is helpful when you are getting lots of unwanted messages from the same organization or website. While you are there, switch to the Options tab to adjust your filtering level. Setting it to High tells Outlook to move most suspicious messages to the junk email folder. Just remember, this setting can sometimes catch legitimate emails. So it's a good idea to glance through your junk email folder now and then, especially if you are expecting something important. To protect the messages you care about, use the Save Senders tab in that same menu. Add trusted contacts or domains, so Outlook always treats them as allowed. This whitelist helps prevent false positives when you raise your junk protection level, keeping your essential emails where they belong. If you are using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, the process is just as straightforward. Click the Settings gear, go to Mail, and open Junk Email. Under Block Senders and Domains, select Add. Type the email address or the domain you want to block. Press Enter and then click Save. Using a domain here works the same way. It blocks every sender from that domain at once. These changes take effect right away and help keep your inbox cleaner across devices. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.